Today's eyeshadow tutorial, I will be using Juvia'S the Violet palette, the mini violet palette. This is what it looks like. Today's tutorial, I am going to use all 6 colors for this tutorial. Stay tuned, watch it, then comment below. For my transition color, I am using this shade right here. It's the light lilac color, violet lilac color. I already have my eyeshadow base and my eye primer on. Remember, I'm using all 6 colors today, all 6 in this one tutorial. Right now I'm just blending my transition color. Color number 1. Next color is this one right here, the darkest purple. I am going to put that color in my V. I'm putting this in my outer V. That color is pretty. Remember, we're using all 6, so now that is 2 colors. I'm going to use this one on the lid. I love Juvia'S eyeshadow. Take a look at this. This is gorgeous. And then on top of that, I'm beautiful. I am beautiful. If you're looking for a palette for the first time, try Juvia'S. You cannot go wrong. And I did not use my white pencil. Usually I'll put my white pencil, but I want to try it without the white pencil first so I can get the true color and give you the true review and tutorial on it. Color number 3. We have used 3. We have 3 more to look for. In my tear duct, in my inner corner, right here, I am going to use this one. This will be our 4th color. I'm feeling good. So far we have 1, 2, let's point it out. We have 1 color, 2, 3, 4. Number 5, color number 5 is this one. Okay. This one is for the brow bone. This is number 5. Number 5 color is for the brow bone. Number 6. Okay, the 6th color is this one right here. Can you see it? This one. I am going to put that color in the crease. And now I have all 6 colors on. I have outer corner, outer V, lid, tear duct, all over transitional color, then a different color in the crease, and then on the brow bone. So all 6 colors are on. I use all the 6 shades in this palette. I did not use my white pencil. I did not use this. I only use NYX eyeshadow base skin tone. That is all I used. Complete look, complete eyeshadow look. Colors, gorgeous. My honest opinion, this palette is gorgeous. This palette is beautiful. This palette is everything that's on my eyes. All 6 colors are on my eyes. I wanted to try them to see if they were pigmented. Yes, they are pigmented. I wanted to try it to see if they blend well. Yes, they blend well. Blendable, pigmented, love purple. I couldn't miss out on this one. Juvia'S Place does black skin justice. This is my honest review on this palette. The Violet by Juvia'S Place. Love it. Beautiful. Thank you again, you all, for watching. Thanks for coming to my channel. Please subscribe. Please share when you view. After you view, share it with somebody else, because your views help my channel. I appreciate you for stopping by. If you are new, please subscribe. If you're a return subscriber, thank you again for coming. I love you all. Please comment, tell me what you think in the comment section below. And there is like a little subscribe button right there. I think it's this side. Click it, subscribe. I love to have fun with makeup. Come back, see me, share me. Take care of self. Be kind to self. Love self plenty. Self is important. And as always, I will see you in another video. Bye.